Alright, last event of the year. I'm here at Highland, Montana, and for the first time I'm going to run new tires, so I got a few federals. I'm about to put this one on. And then I realized that'll be a cool thing to show. It's like how the federals will run in the front. And I got 205, and apparently I'm gonna have enough clearance. It's not gonna rub on the inside anymore, so technically I won't lock. It won't get locked. So yeah, my guys are there. So Bodie, Donnie, and we have Chucky here. Yeah, check it out. So what is this?
It's a small block Chevy.
There you go. Sounds good. I gotta do this here on my car.
Oh yeah.
Cut that crap. That was a serious one.
Dude, that was sick. Nice. Keep going.
Man, that was sick. Woo!
Fair enough. Go ahead.
You're gonna have to want to be a little heavy, but light-ish on the throttle.
Okay.
Just get used to how it feels, you know?
So turn here.
Let's kick, turn into it. Good. Yep. And you just stayed on the gas a little more. That's
Okay.
good. Good. Yes. Yep. Yes. Yep. There we go.
Oh, that's that place where people break their stuff.
Don't be afraid to get a little higher than RPM.
Yeah. This. Oh, that's the point where.
Yeah, so in order to be in this shape, clutch kick. Don't think that you're going to get it by just turning. You're going to want to clutch kick.
I see.
Remember what I said about wanting to get it up there? Come on, let it be. Right now you're at 310.
All right. Clutch kick.
Yep, there you go. Yep, just like that now, bro. So you felt how it like...
I'm feeling, yeah.
The RPMs, you're able to walk the front end depending on how you...
And go.
That's what I want you to work on.
Gotcha.
That right there is the feeling you're looking for.
There you go. Alright. Going good. This time I'm really kicking it. And go. Woo! Alright, focus. Focus. Alright. Second time. Hose got off the got out of place and then lost all the coolant. So I need to grab the water. It's gonna lose anyway, so there's no put coolant anymore. And excited for this winter to put some aftermarket radiator. If this thing doesn't happen anymore. So we put water in the car. Go back to the truck. Alright. What? Ooh, that's our friend's. Where is it? Put it here. That's our friend's engine. Is it coming?
Yeah, he's about to pull up.
There you go. And look at that. It's brand new. Gorilla Glue. So he has that crap underneath and Gorilla Glue. And here's the assistant. Alright, so it is. Let me see, what time is it? Hang on. He might be like, trying to see on this thing. Well, it might be like 6 o'clock. Look at that. The sky is beautiful. But that's it for the day. So nobody's driving anymore. I'm gonna see my people. I might take this thing because it's still smoking a little bit, so I might take this out and jb-weld and leave it for tomorrow. Because I really want to drive tomorrow. And a little drifting. I said I was done, but I did some more. Yeah, so let's check out how it goes tomorrow. Check and see, and boom. Day 2, just woke up, got ready, gonna have some breakfast. Check out this view. So this is Flathead Lake in Montana. Look at that, dude. That is beautiful. So, wow. Can't get better than that. It's cold though. I'm gonna head to the track. There are good news coming for the BMWs. I'm gonna make a crazy build out of that thing. I'm going to swap the engine, but I'm not gonna tell her it is yet. It's gonna be on the next video, but let's get that and go to the track. Alright, we're going for a ride. It's dripping still, but I think I can get a few laps out of that. That's what we can. Right to that. That's good. Water.
Are you good for Tim?
Yeah? Did I lose water?
I want to drive it.
Huh?
I want to drive it.
Come here.
Actually, can I even fit in it? Your rails move? They're solid. Never mind.
No, they move back.
Oh, they do?
I need to put a sheet back that Jake took it out. I got it.
Oh, might be just old shit.
No. Okay, so check it out. One tire, two tires. Dude, I'm getting good. And the third one was there, but now I think I blew the head gasket. And that's gonna be the new engine that I'm not gonna say anything about now. And it's my buddy Chucky. And check out his ride. So what do you got in there?
Small me built, small block, 350.
There you go.
Small block 78, 4-speed. Probably like 350 horse.
It's a beast.
LS 400.
So he probably is going to be in front of one of my videos. Go for a ride. I'm going to get a video of you. And what is the transmission again? Everybody asks, what is the transmission?
Morgan Warner Super T10.
Morgan Warner. And there you go. So he gutted the whole thing, make the cage by himself and stuff.
BMW dash.
Oh yeah. The BMW dash. You put this thing too, right? This e-brake?
Yeah.
Wow. That's awesome, dude. So he does stuff on his shop. We're gonna show up on his shop someday. We do stuff on your kids. And you guys are gonna see more, but yeah, bunch of cool cars here, but this one, everybody comes in here and asks him, what is that, man? Let's get a video. There you go. Look at the sound of that thing, it's nasty. And that's Andrew on the 350Z. What happened? Something happened. No? Nice. What the fuck? Dude, I got this on video. Woo! I did. Oh my God. That's another friend, Piston Soup. There you are, buddy. Big butt with that Miata. Where are you? There you go. And like everything that's fun, it's over. If you are watching this thinking that this is a drifting vlog, this is not. This is me drifting, and my people, my group. By no means I want to do a vlog and say, oh, I'm pro, this guy's pro. I don't give a shit, to be honest. Yeah. One more thing, check it out. I have t-shirts and some cool hats. You see car mods in here, you see drifting here. I like this. Some other kinds of hats. I have flip-flops, so check it out, www.carmodsgarage.com, and everything you get in there is gonna support the channel, support my builds, and I'm going to put a new engine in there, which is still secret. I'm gonna see when I'm going to reveal it. So if you know what I'm gonna put in there, make a comment down here. That would be fun to see what people think. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Look past my face. See status. I'm eating